So we've been getting several inquiries from customers lately that are looking for ways to reduce the cost. These are repetitive runs that we run typically, every month, on a repetitive basis. So what advice would you give a purchasing agent or an engineer that is looking to try to get some cost reductions out of their project?
The easiest way to reduce your cost when placing an order is to place higher orders. Instead of doing the one order a month for 10 pieces, order 20, 30 pieces every month that'll last you, because that makes it where the machinist only has to set up on the part once.
So setup cost, is that important?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Cost that important. So your setup time's an hour, but you have to set up for an hour every month on that one job. Or you could set up once for the same job, only it'll last the customer 2 to 3 times longer if they order a higher quantity of parts.
But what about, do you think there's any savings in material? And right now in a pretty volatile market with steel going up, so I guess I'm thinking if they ordered it, we could also get some better steel pricing.
Yeah, well, same as when you order higher quantities from us, the steel companies are the same way. If you order a higher quantity from them, they will usually give you a better price per pound of steel.